Hey, happy Friday, everybody. This is renovation video number 21. Closer and closer to the holidays and closer of the renovation being done. We're kind of like Santa Claus right now, checking the list, uh, checking it twice, going through budget and everything. So, what you're going to see today in some of the slides is granite countertop going in, the rest of the cabinets, a lot of the touch up on the ceilings, walls, baseboards, doors, everything being painted and touched up, kind of redone. Um, Shower is pretty much complete in the Jack and Jill bathroom. Excuse me, you have to excuse the cold. This Ohio weather really sucks right now. But anyways, Jack and Jill bathroom's pretty much almost completed. Got some touching up to do in there on the shower. The seat, is being installed. You can see it hanging. Niche is done. The sprayer, rain head shower is going to be completed today. Man, we got what else? We got the paint all picked out. We've got carpet all picked out for the upstairs and stairs. And then we're actually going to be able to do some extra things because I was able to reel the wife in on budget. So that'll be kind of a surprise. Down the road, I'll let you know what's going on in there. We're just kind of tightening up the budget. Got any questions, comments, thoughts, anything? Feel free to reach out to me, private message me. Put it in the comments. I'll get you Integrity's information. If you're looking at doing something to your own home, I'll let you know how we did some things. But yeah, just stay in touch over the next few Fridays, and hope you're having a great holiday season. Look forward to hearing from you. Shay Hensley, 513-594-9218.